Welcome to Smart Stock Watch, your go-to channel for in-depth financial analysis. Today is August 27th, 2025, and we're diving into Donaldson's fiscal 2025 fourth quarter and full-year earnings report. Donaldson, a leader in technology-led filtration products, has just released its latest financial results. Joining us today is John, senior analyst from Smart Stock Watch. John, thanks for being here.
Thank you for having me. I'm excited to discuss Donaldson's performance and what it means for investors.
Revenue and profitability overview. Let's start with the top line. Donaldson reported fourth quarter sales of $981 million, a 4.8% increase from the previous year. John, what drove this growth?
The growth was primarily driven by higher volumes, favorable currency translation, and pricing benefits. The Mobile Solutions and Industrial Solutions segments showed strong performance, particularly in off-road and industrial filtration solutions.
And how about profitability? The adjusted EPS for the quarter was $1.03, which is a 9.6% increase. How did they achieve this?
Donaldson's profitability was bolstered by disciplined expense management and operational efficiencies. Despite some gross margin compression due to tariff-related inflation, they managed to leverage higher sales to improve their operating expenses as a percentage of sales.
Operational efficiencies and future outlook. John, let's talk about operational efficiencies. Donaldson's gross margin was 34.5%, down 130 basis points. What were the challenges here?
The decline in gross margin was mainly due to tariff-related inflation and inventory valuation headwinds. However, Donaldson's focus on cost optimization and footprint efficiency helped mitigate some of these pressures.
Looking ahead, Donaldson has set a sales guidance of $3.8 billion for fiscal 2026. What are the key factors supporting this optimistic outlook?
Donaldson expects to benefit from continued efficiency actions and disciplined investments across its segments. They anticipate expanding their gross margin and achieving record operating margins, which should support their growth targets.
Shareholder returns and strategic initiatives. Donaldson has been active in returning value to shareholders. Can you elaborate on their recent activities?
Absolutely. In the fourth quarter alone, Donaldson returned approximately $95 million to shareholders through share repurchases and dividends. For the full year, they returned $465 million, which included repurchasing 4% of their outstanding shares.
And what about their strategic initiatives, particularly in the life sciences segment?
The life sciences segment saw a robust growth of 14.1% year over year, driven by strong sales in food and beverage and disk drive. Donaldson is investing in this segment to capitalize on growth opportunities and enhance their product offerings.
EPS forecast and analyst expectations. John, analysts had forecasted an EPS of $2 for the quarter. How did Donaldson perform against these expectations?
Donaldson slightly exceeded expectations with an adjusted EPS of $0.13, beating the forecast by $0.01. This beat, although modest, reflects the company's effective cost management and operational efficiencies.
What does this mean for investor sentiment?
Beating EPS forecasts, even slightly, is generally positive for investor sentiment. It indicates that the company is managing its operations well and can deliver on its financial commitments.
Key takeaways. In summary, Donaldson has delivered a strong fourth quarter and full-year performance with record sales and earnings. Their strategic initiatives and focus on operational efficiencies are setting the stage for continued growth in fiscal 2026. John, any final thoughts?
Donaldson's ability to navigate challenges and deliver consistent shareholder returns is commendable. Their guidance for fiscal 2026 is promising, and they seem well-positioned to achieve their targets.
Thank you, John, for your insights. And thank you to our viewers for tuning in. If you found this analysis helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to Smart Stock Watch. We'd love to hear your thoughts on Donaldson's performance in the comments below. Until next time.